When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough. So I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
What's up, everyone? Today we're filming a video. I'm not quite sure what we're doing yet, as usual. But I plan to ride today. I'm gonna fix my bike real quick so that I can land on my tricks, and yeah, so we're gonna fix the bike and then we're gonna head somewhere. Alright, chain is super tight, how I like it. Doesn't move. Better for combos. That's how I keep it. So if you guys are wondering how I keep my chain, I keep it super tight, like it's about to break. I need to find the other tool. Where's the tool that I was using? Oh, right here. Okay. Back in here. Come on. Put these all this way. Put your tools back. Also, shout out to Black Ops again. I got my bottom bracket. I just need to get my my sprocket. I just need to get my sprocket back, and then I'm gonna have some 3-piece BMX cranks on that bike. Another thing is, I got all these parts for this bike. I got the side guards. I got parts for this bike too. Basically, basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this bike orange and I'm gonna make it match this bike. So I'm waiting for all the parts for this bike, and I'm waiting for tires, tubes, stuff like that for this bike. And then once I get everything set up, the graphics and everything all matching, that's when I'm gonna put everything on and I'll film a video. Some of you guys may not like it, but if you guys like it, then stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's gonna come soon, probably within the next month. Like I said, I'm literally just waiting on parts, and I'm waiting I'm waiting on graphics from B-Scene and Reflex for both bikes. I gotta get the orange plastics for this bike, and then yeah. Hey, let's get this bike loaded up. It's gonna be hard to do this one hand. Let's see if we can do it. How should I go about this? Here we go. Almost there, and we're in. I'm gonna put it this way because that's where less wet is. Less water, I mean. Come on. Go this way. Go that way. Oops. We're in. Ah, dang it. Oh. Ow. Yeah, warm up. Oh. Oh, I gotta work on my steps. Whoa! Oh. Ah. I gotta land it without the foot tap. Oh. Almost. No! Oh. Alright, I know I didn't get to land that one trick. My pedals kept moving and I was complaining. I'm gonna get that one day. I used to have that on lock. So when I try another tri trick Thursday or tri trick Tuesday, I'm gonna do that one again. And yeah, we're gonna go home. I'm gonna tighten up my pedals or my cranks, and I'm gonna tighten my chain again. Hopefully it won't move, so I could do that trick for another video. All right, well that's the end of this video. Got the Elite Bev, got some eats, and I'm gonna go eat. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. All right, I got one more thing to say. I posted this on my story. I said best Bev ever, and it was the green tea. Look, all right, so I posted that, right? Boom, Arizona responded. What? That's crazy.